going to show you all this evening says not just a fat lady can sing. You understand? Rally, rally round the West Indies, no and forevermore. How so? Anyway, it looked like the West Indies will eventually qualify for the World Cup. Let me put it this way. If them cannot beat Scotland to keep their destiny in their own hands, them not deserve to qualify for the World Cup. But hey, although the Windies won today, again they showed that the bowling attack is a joke. None of these little teams in this Minnows tournament supposed to be scoring almost 300 runs against the West Indies. But then again, a minnow, I play against minnow. But seriously though, we heard board president, Mr. Dave Cameron, talking about not just qualifying for the World Cup, but actually winning the World Cup. Well, Mr. President, if or when we qualify, some radical changes are needed to our bowling attack, or else it will be pure embarrassment. What West Indies have is not a bowling attack, but a bowling retreat. And not just a bowling retreat, but a bowling retreat and surrender. Anyway, West Indies, me say, we have beat them too much. We have beat them up now, yes? To all Jamaica and the region. Hear the Maverick now. Hear the Maverick sing. This is not a fat lady. Listen to the Maverick. Rally! This who cut me out. Oh, cut all the Maverick. Rally!